In this video, I'll show you how to sign documents in Docusign using a simple and practical method that works for beginners and regular users alike. After logging in, head to the Agreements section where you'll find documents awaiting your signature. Open the document and click the Sign option, then follow the prompts to place your signature in the required fields. You can choose to type, draw, or upload your signature depending on your preference. Docusign makes this process smooth, but it's important to carefully review the document before signing, as it may carry legal or financial implications. Also, ensure all required fields are completed to avoid delays. Once finished, confirm and submit the document to complete the process. Overall, it's a quick and reliable way to handle digital agreements when used responsibly. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you stay efficient and confident.